Hello, welcome to my channel Harry Viral. In this video number 40, we are going to learn how to convert PDF files into Excel. So this is a quick pro tip you can apply into your daily life. So let's dive into it. You can see here my PDF file is this. This is my PDF file, and if I open this, you will see the data is in my PDF file. So I want it in Excel. So how can we do it? Simple. We'll open Word file. We will search Word and we'll search this Word file and open it. We'll open this first one, blank, or directly we can open first. I will open this and I will go to the file tab and search open, and I will browse. Here is my data PDF file. I will click it OK and open, and it will say me this Word will convert into PDF and it will be editable. So I hit OK, and now you can see my editable PDF file is changed into Word. So this is a tabular form. So simple, I will go to this tabular tab and copy this, and I will open Excel. And if I open Excel and open, and here I will go and paste, right click and paste as keep source formatting. So I'll hit OK, and now you can see my PDF file is changed into Excel. This is the simple way to convert PDF files into Excel. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates, and I'll see you in the next video.